Today we are excited to show to you the limited edition Carrera Calibre Heuer 02 Tourbillon Nanograph, a cost-certified watch that stands up and takes aim at the rest of the horology world, as TAG Heuer show what they can produce for a fraction of what other Swiss brands charge. The body of the watch is formed in a 45mm size of Grade 2 black titanium, revered for its durability and lightness, to protect the precious movement that it houses. The black and grey theme through the watch is a nod to the carbon elements found throughout the genius manufacturing processes, but the features are brought to life by the stark contrast of lime green. But let's talk about the movement of this timepiece. For the first time ever, TAG Heuer mathematicians, physicists and chemists have developed a carbon balance spring. Produced using a natural gas, it governs the oscillations of the balance wheel. The lightning-fast tourbillon is housed in an impregnable cage of titanium and carbon with a gorgeous green anodized aluminium bridge. The extremely complex part can withstand shocks, magnetic fields and extreme temperatures for peak timekeeping. A honeycomb pattern of the carbon composite molecule is found on the skeletonized dial. As the dial is incredibly open, you can be drawn into the inner beauty of the timepiece and admire the craftsmanship from many angles of the movement, and a glass caseback adds to the luxury. Indices and hands are black gold plated with superluminova treated for enhanced visibility in the dark. The bezel and lugs are also in carbon, while the push buttons are carbide coated. Fitted to the watch is a black leather and rubber strap that has a capped carbon black titanium folding clasp, easily adjusted for the perfect fit on the wrist. The full presentation of this timepiece is complete with its stunning display case that is also a mechanical watch winder, and you receive a 2-year international warranty. Number 134 of 500 is the marked limited edition number we have managed to acquire, priced at £20,795. For more information on the Calibre Heuer 02 Tourbillon Nanograph, check out the link in the description below. And for all of our latest releases, help us out by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.